All right, so right here on the James, it's a Saturday. I'm going on vacation this week to Myrtle Beach, so I try to get in one more trip. It looks like they're having a big tournament out here. I got in around 5:15, so I think I might have 30 minutes on them, but it looked like quite a few boats. So we're gonna try in here. I think it's gonna be a pretty busy day, so hopefully we can get some early and get out of here with some fish. There's one. First of the day. Not a bad one. Nothing wrong to start the day. Nothing special. Kind of a humpback. A pound and a half probably. I don't know if you can see it yet, but this first time I'm throwing this lure. I bought this Depths Buzz Jet like wake bait. It's kind of made by the same people that make the big Depths 250 swim baits, and it's in black, and it's supposed to be really good for night fishing, and we're just here really early, so not bad. I've had it for about a year, never really used it. First catch on it in about the 5th or 6th cast. Oh my God. That thing slammed. I mean, that thing just absolutely tomahawked it, guys. It's number 2. That's a nice chunky one right there. He basically swallowed it whole. Probably close to a chunky 2-pounder, probably a little under 2, maybe 1 3/4 pounds. This is a fat one, but man, he hammered it. Wow. On that one, I'd switch back to kind of a shad colored walking bait. Got a little bit lighter outside. I understand. Good luck to y'all. Keeper size one on the buzz bait. Nothing special about it though. I haven't got a real good bite yet, but we'll take anything we can get. Number 4. Alright, so we're sitting on 4. I'm just leaving this little creek. Got one in there, caught 3 in the other one. Nothing really big. The best is probably just a little under 2. We're probably looking at 3 keepers, all pretty small fish, and then one just really dink. So we're gonna ride out, maybe try the main river. Might try one of these pits, see if I can't get on a bite. But definitely gonna see what I can do. All right, so I rolled out to the main channel. On the way over, I spilled a whole entire thing of fruit in my lap, so that's a good start. Let's see what we can do on this edge here. That's a giant. This is I say giant a lot, guys. This is a legit one. Yes, sir. Monster. Whew. Oh my gosh. It's pretty spawned out, so I don't know how huge it is, but it is a damn good one. know suspense is killing y'all for this fish. Not really, but... Oh man. That's what we're talking about right there, guys. I mean, it is not fat, but look at the mouth on that thing. That is a beautiful fish. I'm gonna go ahead and get a weight on it, take some pictures, and I'll release it. All right, guys, finally, I hit the 5 pound mark this year. Caught a lot of good fish, but hadn't hit 5, was right at it basically. I have 2 scales. I put one on as 5.05, and my other scale was right at 5 pounds 0 ounces. So basically right at 5. As you can see, it's a skinny one, but it has got a bucket mouth on it. So just a gorgeous fish. We're gonna go ahead and let it go though. All right, number 5 of the day, and that's the kicker we were looking for. Or do something completely stupid. We'll just attempt to cast like that. All right, guys, gonna call it a day. Got in about 5 hours or so on the river today. Basically came out here looking to catch, you know, just some big fish on topwater. We ended up doing that. Got that 5.05 on the walking bait right off one of those rock jetties. I hadn't been fishing those too often lately. Maybe the bigger fish have moved out of some of these creeks. Still think there's quite a few of them in there, but I'm sure some of them have kind of moved out to some deeper water. And luckily we got a hold of that one. But it's getting pretty hot out here. Like I said earlier, I'm going on vacation, going to Myrtle Beach for a week. So hopefully I'll come back next weekend and maybe get out here again and catch some fish for you. Appreciate you watching.